नमस्कार, आपण पाहत आहात इन गोवा 24 तास. धारगळ येथे ॲडव्होकेट सदानंद वांयगणकर यांना मारहाण केल्याच्या घटनेचा निषेध करत संशयितांना तातडीनं अटक करावी अशी मागणी करण्यात आली आहे. महाराष्ट्र आणि गोवा वकील बार काउन्सिलचे माजी अध्यक्ष संग्राम देसाई यांच्यासह सुमारे 20 वकिलांनी पेडणे पोलीस ठाण्याचे निरीक्षक नितीन हळणकर यांची भेट घेऊन निवेदन सादर केले. या मारहाण प्रकरणी पोलिसांनी योग्य ती कारवाई करावी अशी मागणी केली आहे.
We got a information that an advocate has been assaulted. I being the member of Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa and a guardian member for the state of Goa, as soon as I received information, I reached here along with the team of the lawyers from Sindhudurg as well as Goa. Firstly, we met the Mr. PI, and after discussing with him, we found that he is taking proper action. But there were certain important issues which we needed to highlight. See, the thing is that he has not gone there only as a lawyer, but he had gone there with a team of government officers. And therefore whatever act has taken place, it is obstructing justice, and therefore we had requested the investigating officer to add the concerned sections which are serious one. It's a serious offense, old section 353 of Indian Penal Code. So therefore we have requested the PI to take proper action, and he has promised. Now the second part is, all the lawyers are showing solidarity towards Mr. Vaingankar. The reason is that nowadays there are so many incidents where the lawyers have been attacked by the opposite parties, and which is condemn such attacks, and in future if such attacks are taken place, then we will deal with them very seriously. We are taking up this issue with the Honorable Chief Minister and also with the judiciary and the police.
POची एक इंजिनियर असली, लेडी इंजिनियर, पंचायतीचो सेक्रेटरी असलो, सरपंच असलो, एक नारोज सरपंच धारगळ पंचायत नारोजी म्हणून एक पंच मेंबर, जी उपसरपंच हाती असली, एक पंचायतीचो क्लार्क असलो, BDOतल्यान दशरथ परब म्हणून एक स्टाफ असलो त्यांचो. त्यांनी त्याच्यात लागीन ऑथॉरिटी लेटर सबमिट केले, आणि त्या ऑथॉरिटी रिसिव्ड कॉपी घेतली. ती कॉपी घेऊन हांवें बॅगान दवरलेली. ते बॅगूय चोरले आणि कोर्टाच्यो फायली आसा तेय चोरले. એટલે खबर आसा बरे भशेन तरी एका ॲडवोकेटाचेर अशा प्रकारे अटॅक. लोकांक सुद्धा तेंचें काम करपाक मज्जाव केलो तेंच्यांनी. तांकां मदीं डिस्टर्बन्स केलो, आणि ते काम करच्या आदी तांकां घरा वयचें पडलें, म्हणजे ऑफिसान वयचें पडलें रिटर्न.